How to log in to Amazon Prime Video account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're going to find the search box. Type in Amazon Prime Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one option, www.primevideo.com. Open this website. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner you're going to find this icon. Click on it. Then click on the option of sign in. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now check in for the option of sign in, then type in your email or phone number linked with your account. Once you type in, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of forget password to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of keep me sign in. Once you fill this, click on sign in. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into your Amazon Prime Video account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.